The Bayraktar TB2 is not just another drone. This Turkish-made weapon is rewriting the rules of modern warfare. Relatively cheap and highly effective, the TB2 has proven its mettle from the battlefields of Syria to the plains of Ukraine. Its success story highlights a larger trend: the rise of Turkey as a major drone power. The impact of the TB2 extends beyond its impressive technical specifications. It represents Turkey's determination to become self-sufficient in arms production. No longer content to rely on foreign suppliers, Turkey is forging its own path in the global arms market. The TB2 has captured the world's attention. Its combat performance has exceeded expectations. Many countries, once reliant on traditional military powers, now see Turkey as a viable alternative for advanced weaponry. The drone has become a symbol of Turkish innovation and ambition. The story of the TB2 is inextricably linked to Selçuk Bayraktar, a man who embodies Turkey's technological aspirations. His journey, from a young engineer to a leading innovator, mirrors Turkey's own transformation into a drone superpower. Selçuk Bayraktar, born in 1979, displayed a passion for technology from a young age. He earned a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Istanbul Technical University in 2002. He then obtained a master's degree from the University of Pennsylvania in 2004. Bayraktar completed another master's at MIT in 2006, focusing on unmanned aerial vehicles. This specialized education shaped Bayraktar's career. He returned to Turkey to develop an indigenous drone industry. Turkey was seeking to bolster its domestic defense industry. Bayraktar joined his family's firm, Baykar, founded in the 1980s. Selçuk's vision steered the company towards unmanned aerial vehicles. Under Selçuk's leadership, Baykar developed small drones for the Turkish military. These early projects laid the groundwork for a technological revolution. Turkey's pursuit of a self-sufficient defense industry was not merely driven by ambition. It was born out of necessity. The 1974 arms embargo imposed on Turkey by the United States, following Turkey's intervention in Cyprus, exposed the fragility of relying on foreign powers for critical military equipment. The embargo served as a wake-up call for Turkey's leaders. It underscored the importance of developing a robust domestic arms industry. This realization gained momentum in the 1980s and 1990s, leading to increased investment in research and development, as well as partnerships with other nations seeking to bolster their own defense capabilities. The Turkish government established the Presidency of Defense Industries, or SSB, in 1985 to oversee and coordinate the country's efforts to modernize its armed forces. The SSB played a pivotal role in fostering collaboration between state-owned enterprises and private companies like Baykar. This strategic shift towards self-reliance created an environment conducive to innovation. Turkish engineers and entrepreneurs were given the opportunity to showcase their talents and develop cutting-edge technologies. The Bayraktar TB2 drone emerged as a shining example of what Turkey could achieve. Section 4. A New Dawn, the Rise of Turkish Drones. The Bayraktar TB2, which made its maiden flight in 2014, quickly captured the attention of the Turkish military. Its combination of affordability, endurance and firepower set it apart. The drone's ability to conduct reconnaissance missions and carry laser-guided missiles made it a game-changer. The TB2's success was not confined to the testing grounds. It proved its mettle in real-world combat, first against Kurdish separatists and later in the Syrian civil war. The drone's precision and ability to minimize collateral damage made it invaluable. Word of the TB2's capabilities spread quickly, attracting foreign buyers. Azerbaijan's use of the drone in the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh war further cemented its reputation. The drone's success has transformed Turkey's defense industry. Baykar, once a small family-owned company, has become a global player in the UAV market.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members, Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.